Good afternoon, students. So today we are going to perform an activity related to your chapter of political parties. Introduction part we have already done. So now we are going to move further, and through this activity we are going to come to a conclusion. So that conclusion you will find out and tell me that what is this aspect of the political parties. So we are going to start with the game Catch the Word. I will speak one word. According to your understanding, you are going to divide the words spoken into two categories. So after all the words which I have spoken are complete, then I will ask you that with the help of those words, what you can deduct from those. Right? Are you ready? Okay. So the first word is spider. You are going to categorize the word on the basis of the number. On the basis of the number. Clear? So the first word is spider. Next, number of arms in human beings. Number of arms in human beings. Next, a seesaw. A seesaw. Next, octopus. Next word, solar system. Solar system. Next, a judicial balance. You understand this? A judicial balance. You might have seen in Justice, a blind woman is there and she is holding that balance. So that is called as judicial balance. Next, 28 states of India. Next, 50 states and federal districts. 50 states and federal districts. Next, holding together federation. Holding together federation. Next, Senate. Next, Parliament. Next, coming together federation. Next, 243 members. Next, Democrats and Republicans. Next, Patna is the capital of the state. Patna is the capital of the state. Alright students, you have got some time to decide now. So, shall we move further? You have categorized those words.
Yes.
Let us see. Yes, Suvir.
Ma'am, I have categorized the words as a spider, octopus and solar system as
Yes.
more than 2 in number.
Right.
And on the other hand, I have classified number of arms in humans, that is 2.
Yes.
Seesaw has 2 sides. Judicial
Yes.
balance 2 has 2 sides as the number in 2.
Okay. So this you have understood that he has categorized it correctly. So 2 and more than 2. Yes, Vaibhav.
Go. Ma'am, I have also categorized the words on the basis of number more than 2 or 2.
Yes.
Number 2.
So share
So-
what other words you have, how you have categorized.
Ma'am, I have categorized the number as Democrats and Republic. Both are 2 words.
Okay.
And we get the indication from here Senate and 50 states of federal districts.
Yes.
So linking it with Democrats and Republic, we get
Yeah.
the sense of American US elections.
Yes.
So
Right.
I have categorized this in
all
one
these
row.
in one row.
row.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Krish.
Go.
In the activity of count the number, ma'am, I understood that the word Senate, coming together federation, to Democrats
Yes.
and Republicans relate to America,
Right.
while the words 28 states of India,
Yes.
Parliament, 243 members,
Yes.
Patna is the capital, relates with India. So I have categorized the words on the basis of number 2 and more than 2. That more than 2 relates with India and 2 relates with America.
Good. Go. All right, very good. So you have been able to categorize the words, and we had two very important events as far as elections are concerned. One, we just recently concluded elections in America. We know presidential elections, and Mr. Joe Biden is the president-elect. He'll be taking over very soon in the month of January.
28.
And next here we had assembly elections in Bihar, right? And 243 members. So who are fighting these elections? Yes, anyone? What I mean to say is that who is contesting these elections? Anyone?
Political parties.
Political parties, right? Exactly, political parties. No? So under political parties, what do we then get? That democracy and political party are inevitable part of each other. If we have democracy, political parties are bound to be there. And if political parties are there, so it means that the country has democracy.
Yes.
So now from the words which you have categorized and grouped, can you tell me further what else can you understand? Go. Yes, Suvir.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have already told me that you have categorized. What further inferences you can draw from here?
And the further inferences are that 28 states of India parliament,
Yes.
243 members, all
Okay.
these can tell us that there is more than one party system in India, more than two parties.
Okay, so from the numbers, right? And as far as parliament is concerned, that is just to categorize all these words and bring you towards India.
Yes.
Clear? And yes, Vaibhav, you want to add anything?
Yes, ma'am. As I said earlier, that the word Senate and the 50 federal states and
Yes.
all, and Democrats and Republicans, they
Yes.
all give us an indication about the American US elections. And
yes.
we come
Yeah.
to know that there is a two-party system only. Maybe there are other parties, but we, the people of India, are not
Aware or
aware
regional.
of-
Yes,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
get to read about two Democrats and Republican. Krish, do you want to add anything?
Yes, ma'am. In the end, ma'am, we can conclude from this activity that in America there is two-party system, and while in India there is multi-party system.
Multi-party system. So do you remember any other country which has only single-party system or one-party system?
Yes, ma'am, many countries are there.
Yes,
China,
China.
Communist
Or-
Party.
Yes, China.
Not
So-
Congo and
Yes, yeah.
Nicaragua.
So we can conclude from this that we have different party systems depending on the heritage, history of a country, which system or the party system they want to adopt. So we have one party system, two party system, and multi-party system as we have in India, because we have so many regional variations that when the constitution was being framed, it was thought that it would be better that we have a multi-party system. So through this activity, clear, what is the learning outcome? We have learned today that under political parties there are three types of systems, that is one party system, two party system, and three party, that is sorry, not three party, multi-party system. So with the multi-party system, as we were discussing just now, there is another aspect. As you might have seen in India, we did in the 9th standard about the election commission, and you also read that we have national and regional parties. Clear? So regional parties are those which are having influence in less number of states. For example, Akali Dal in Punjab, Shiv Sena in Maharashtra, and Telugu Desam. Do you know Telugu Desam is the regional party of which state?
Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. Any other party? Anyone can tell?
YSR Congress.
Yes, YSR Congress also. So, regional parties are those parties which are having influence in a limited area, and national parties are those which are having influence in at least more than 4 states. So, this we will be doing further. Thank you so much for being part of this activity. Thank you.